Now this is going to be a really short video, and maybe you're not interested in this, maybe you are. I have older equipment, and since I have older equipment, what I do is I rehab it a lot. And one of the tricks I have to rehabbing is sandpaper. And I know you're going to think I'm crazy, but when you have stainless steel machines, they have a certain finish to them. Okay? See that? That's basically the finish. I mean, clean it off a little bit. It's been in the barn. This is a door that I use as an example. That's stainless steel. See, it gets little scratches. Looks okay. But then you look down here and see the difference? Do you see that? It's almost like a mirror finish. Look at that. Down here? Not so much. Over here? Hey, how did he do that? This is one of my tricks to laundromats. If you have a dealer that says, hey, the new machines have chrome doors, don't fall for it. Newer machines have chrome doors, and the chrome against the stainless steel looks really sharp because it does just like this door is doing right here. It shines. See how that shines? All they do is polish the stainless steel, folks. That's all they do. They polish it. So if you know how to polish stainless steel, you too can have that chrome looking finish. I mean, look at that. Look at the top and look at the bottom. You can tell a huge difference there. Now, I'm getting ready to do this in my laundromat because every so often you have to spruce up your laundromat. So what I do is I got the laundromat, we're putting air conditioning in. We're going to take the ceiling out. We're going to paint above it. We're going to put new lighting in. We're going to paint. We're going to touch up the walls. And then we're going to take the stainless steel machines and I'm going to make them all polished like this. I'm going to polish up the doors. And I may do the panels too, but I don't know yet. That's getting kind of carried away. But for now, I might just do the doors because that little detail will make people go, wow, look at this. This is really nice. It's really clean. And what's nice about the polished is it's so smooth, soap won't stick to it as much as the regular stainless steel. It has more of that, more of a, not a grit, but stuff sticks to it. And you can even wax this. You can put some kind of coatings on there too that'll help the soap come off and clean easier. But it's just a trick I got. Now you might ask, how do I do it? And I'm going to show you. It's real simple. I just use an orbital sander. You can use an angle grinder. You can use a buffing. And then you see I got different types of, that's 10,000. That's 2,000. I started out with 180. I went to 200. Then I bumped up to 600. I had 240 in there. Then I hit 1,000. Then I had 1,500. Then the 2,000. And then I had, this is 5,000. And then, 5,000 and 10,000. So I might have even used 7,500. I have 7,500 too. There's a 7,500. The reason I do that is if you gradually increase, when you hit this with 220, it's going to get kind of, it's not going to even look this nice anymore. And you're going to be like, ooh, I think I just screwed it up. You have to basically, to get that stainless steel polish, you have to migrate up each grade of sandpaper. Now, I don't necessarily need to start at the 180, 200. I probably could have started at 1,000. But I started down because I had scratches in this. And I was pulling those scratches out first. But this is at 10,000. And honestly, if I add a little more water, maybe a little more compound to it, I probably could get this to really be like a mirror. And that's what I'm working on right now to see what the mixture is going to be. It's a trick I have. I didn't know if anybody's ever told you about that, but I basically just go in and that's what I do is rehab them. The best time to rehab equipment is right now in the summertime. June, July, and August, because those are the 3 slowest months and you really kind of got downtime. So it's a good time to fix up your laundromat. It's a good time to touch it up. So hope you found that interesting. I don't know if anybody showed you about polishing doors. Maybe I'll do a video on it so you can see the reveal. It'll look pretty sharp. Take it easy.